India, one of the leading automotive markets in the world, is known for its world-class engineering, electrical and capital goods. The nation is projected to be the world's third largest automotive market in terms of volume by 2026. The sector is rising at a fast pace with a growth of 1.7% in the first quarter of the current year as compared to 2019 to 2020. A significant expansion has been witnessed in the exports of two-wheelers and three-wheelers. Due to this, the growth in exports in the current year is seen to be 195%. Also, particularly in June, India's engineering goods exports registered a growth of 52.4%. Let's get to know more about India's automobile industry. The automobile industry in India is a significant driver of macroeconomic growth and technological development. The growth of the sector is marked by the enhanced interest of the companies in exploring the rural markets of the country. The sector can be categorized into subheads, which include passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, three-wheelers and two-wheelers. Among these, two-wheelers occupy the dominant position, constituting a market share of 80%. It is a matter of great pride that India is the largest manufacturer of two-wheelers and three-wheelers and the fourth largest manufacturer of passenger cars in the world. The advancement in the sector has been marked by a host of carefully knitted government reforms. Let's have a look at them. To improve the adoption of electric mobility, the FAME India Scheme Part 2 is proposed to be implemented over a period of 3 years. The scheme aims to enhance the growth of electric and hybrid technology in the country. Moreover, the Automotive Mission Plan 2016 to 2026 outlines the trajectory of growth of the automotive ecosystem in India. It also includes a glide path of definite regulations and policies that govern research, design, technology, testing, manufacturing, import and export, sale, use, repair and recycling of automotive vehicles, components and services. The plan also foresees India to be the first in the world in the terms of production and sale of small cars and third in passenger vehicles and heavy trucks. For the holistic development of the automobile industry, the Department of Heavy Industries has also formulated a draft on National Automotive Policy. Further, to adopt and implement global performance standards, the National Automotive Testing and Research and Development Infrastructure Project has been set up at a total cost of $573 million. Further, holding up the vision of Make in India, a production-linked incentive scheme has also been approved in the automobile and automobile components sector through the Department of Heavy Industries. The successful implementation of these initiatives could be gauged from the fact that India has received Asia's longest and world's fifth longest high-speed track for automobiles. Apart from this, the nation's first machine tool park has also been established with a world-class facility on 530 acres of land. India's automobile industry is supported by various factors such as the availability of skilled labor, robust research and development centers and steel production. The nation is strongly heading towards its vision of having a modern, healthy and robust automobile sector. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.